Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right rear surface burner valve in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Carefully lift off the two grates. Remove the burner caps from the left and right side burner bases. Lift the center burner base straight up to remove. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two screws, securing the center orifice holder to the main cooktop. Next, unthread the screws securing the four remaining burner bases to the cooktop. Lift the bases up and depress the tabs to release the spark electrode wires from each base. Make sure the wires don't slip below the cooktop. Now pull off all 5 control knobs. Open the oven door and use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 2 mounting screws, securing the front control panel. Lift the panel up and out. Unthread the 2 screws securing the main cooktop to the support bracket. Lift up the cooktop and unthread the screw to release the spark module bracket. Fully remove the cooktop. Rotate the spark switch to pull it off of the valve. Use a 1/2-inch wrench to unthread the nut to release the gas supply tube from the valve. Next, unthread the 2 manifold mounting screws. You can now unthread the screw to detach the clamping bracket and remove the old burner valve. Install the new surface burner valve by aligning it on the manifold. Then position the clamping bracket and thread the screw to secure. Reposition the manifold and replace the mounting screws to hold it in place. Insert the gas supply tube into the valve and thread the nut. Be careful not to damage the tube by over-tightening the nut. Align the spark switch on the valve. Reinstall the cooktop by aligning the spark module bracket and securing it with the screw. Fully position the top, making sure the orifice holders protrude through the holes in the top and the spark electrode wires are accessible. Thread the 2 lower screws to secure the cooktop. Reinstall the front control panel by aligning the slots in the panel on the mounting bracket tabs. Thread the mounting screws to secure. Realign the control knobs on the valve stems. Replace the screws to secure the center orifice holder to the top. Reposition the center burner base on the orifice holder so the spark electrode aligns with the notch in the base. Reinstall the remaining burner bases by first connecting the spark electrode wires. Then position the bases and thread the screws to hold them in place. Realign the burner caps. Replace the grates by positioning them on the supports and gently lowering them. Turn the gas supply back on and plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply. It's a good idea to make sure the flame height is properly adjusted after installing a new burner valve. You can do this on any of the valves by setting the burner to low, then remove the control knob and secure the burner valve stem with a pair of pliers. Using a 1/8 inch non-flared flathead screwdriver, rotate the adjustment screw inside the stem clockwise to decrease the flame height. And counterclockwise to increase the height of the flame. With the flame properly adjusted, the gas range should be ready for use.